Hello everyone, in this lesson, let's learn how to convert dates into one format. As it's observable in this I and J column, we have two different formats for our dates. Some of the dates are in short format and some other dates are in the longer format. What we want as data analyst is to have all our data in a specific column in a single format. And we can do that by first selecting both columns, and then we go to the home menu and click on this option. Here we can choose short or long date format. In our case, we're gonna go for short date format. And once you click on that, this is going to turn all our long date formats into short date formats.